Hi there, I'm Linda McLean with McLean Real Estate, and I thought I would bring you up to date on what's going on in the Toronto residential resale market for August 2022. Let's start with the good news. Average sale price has actually gone up 36% since August 2019, pre-pandemic. So that's good news. Let's be happy for that. However, August 2022 proved to be slow in sales, certainly compared to previous months. In fact, average sale price has gone down about 19% since its zenith in February 2022. In February, we had an average sale price of $1,334,000. And today, the average sale price for August is $1,079,000. So as mentioned, that's about a 19% drop. But of course, with the rise in interest rates by the Bank of Canada, we've actually gone from 0.25 in March to 3.25 in August. So the interest rates, mortgage interest rates, have actually gone up exponentially compared to the drop in average sales price. So homes are actually less affordable now than they were before, which in turn is driving up the rental rates about 25%. People just simply can't afford to buy a home, so they're flooding into the rental market. So once through these times, we'll be looking at a little bit of a rosier outlook moving forward in the real estate market. Condos are still selling at a rapid pace, but of course, typically they're less expensive, which makes sense. It's also been suggested that high-end homes in excess of $2 million aren't as affected by the interest rates as other homes. But in fact, the contrary is true. We are seeing the effect of interest rate hikes on homes in excess of $2 million. In fact, by the end of 2022, we predict there'll be about 48% less homes sold in excess of $2 million. RBC, which typically has the most negative outlook, still predicting that from the peak in February 2022, we will see a drop of about 24% in average sale prices in the first and second quarters of next year. But we need to remember that all the factors that were in play pre-pandemic are still there. Yeah, we're looking at an average of 450,000 new Canadians coming in. We are also looking at an unrivaled lack of inventory, to the point that it's critical in Toronto and other parts of Canada. So with these factors still in effect, the minute that the market does stabilize, the prices will continue to go up. The market will not stabilize until we start to see inflation dropping to about 2 to 3%. That's where the Bank of Canada is happy, which means they will likely continue to raise interest rates until we get closer to that level. We have started to see a downturn in inflation over the past month, but it's mainly due to gas prices dropping. All the other indices, food, clothing, transportation, etc., are still at high levels. Hopefully inflation will start to slow down in the coming months, or certainly first and second quarter of next year. And at that time, we will see an immediate resurgence in the real estate market. Thanks so much for tuning in, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.